Well, moving on now, the voting for the fifth phase of the seven-phase Lok Sabha elections 2024. It's begun for 49 constituencies across 8 states and union territories. Voters are practicing their franchise in Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, West Bengal and the 2 union territories of Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. 428 of the total 543 seats will have gone for polls when voting closes today. Several key candidates are in the fray in the fifth phase. This includes Union Minister Smriti Irani, who is contesting for the second term for Uttar Pradesh's Amethi. She is in the UP battleground against the Gandhi family loyalist Kishori Lal Sharma. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is contesting for the Rai Bareli seat against the Horticulture Minister Dinesh Pratap Singh of the BJP. Gandhi won the election from Amethi during the 2004 general elections with a margin of around 100,000 votes. He'd retained his seat in the 2009 and 2014 Lok Sabha elections before losing it to BJP's Smriti Irani in 2019. Instead, he won the Wayanad seat in Kerala. Union Minister Piyush Goyal is going against Congress's Bhushan Patel for the Mumbai North seat. Rajnath Singh faces INDI alliance candidate Ravidas Mehrotra and Bahujan Samaj Party Sarwar Malik in the constituency of Lucknow. He is seeking a third term. In 2019, the BJP had won 13 of the 14 Lok Sabha seats and had lost only Rai Bareli, which was retained by Sonia Gandhi. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah is contesting from the Baramulla seat of Jammu and Kashmir. He faces Sajid Lone from the People's Conference. Campaigning for the fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections ended on the 18th of May, that's Saturday. The final counting will take place on the 4th of June. The voter turnout had dipped in the first 3 phases of the elections. The Election Commission of India, however, has been trying to keep up the polling trend throughout the country. The voting percentage witnessed a slight jump in the 4th phase. The last 4 phases of voting rounds happened on the 19th of April, 26th of April, 7th of May and the 13th of May. The final 2 phases are scheduled for the 25th of May and the 1st of June. All right, for more on this, we're now being joined by our correspondent Disha Shah. Disha, thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us about how the race there is heating up and what are some of the voter concerns that are dominating this phase of the election?
Well, certainly till about 11 a.m. we have seen 15% of voters voting today in all the 13 seats in Maharashtra out of total 48 seats. So these are the last 13 seats that we are talking about, and then the polling here in Maharashtra will conclude. And despite the heat, this is what I want to show our viewers, that despite the heat, it's about 36 degrees right now. You can see that has not really stopped people to come out and cast their vote. You can see that it's anywhere between 12:20 p.m. It's very hot, it's very sunny, and the crowd is here in huge numbers. Now, talking about Mumbai particularly, it is India's financial capital city. It is India's richest civic body, and here the key candidates are between the BJP and the Shiv Sena. It's a direct contest in majority of the seats between the Shiv Sena versus Shiv Sena as well. So talking about key candidates, first is Union Minister Piyush Goyal. He's contesting for the very first time on the BJP ticket, and he's being pitted against Bhushan Patel from the Congress. If you talk about the second key candidate, BJP again has fielded high-profile candidate like Ujjwal Nikam from the Mumbai North Central constituency. He's also contesting for the very first time here in Mumbai, and he's also being pitted against Congress. And in Mumbai, it's very important to know that this particular city has always been ruled by the Shiv Sena bastion. Here, when I say Shiv Sena, it's the Thackeray family bastion from Balasaheb Thackeray to Uddhav Thackeray. But this time around, the voters have a challenge in front of them because there are 2 candidates from the Shiv Sena. So after the split that happened in 2021, we are looking at one Shiv Sena, that is Eknath Shinde from the ruling side and Uddhav Thackeray from the opposition side. So viewers and the voters are really voting in a very changed political dynamic, the situation that has taken place. Second most important point that you asked about, the issues and the concerns. So as voters, considering Mumbai has more urban voters, for them infrastructure always been a top demand. So be it fast tracking of all the metro related projects or the coastal related projects which really connects the city, because congestion is one of the biggest issue in Mumbai. So if those projects really come up in a speedy manner, then it will be a relief for them. So infrastructure always has been a top demand. So today it will be really interesting to see which Shiv Sena, which is a real Shiv Sena as claimed by both the ruling as well as by the opposition. So that will be decided by the voters today.
All right. Well, Disha, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, we'll continue to track all developments there with you closely. Thank you so much. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.